Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. You would have every kind of pleasure you could conceive. Let's have a dream which isn't under control. Then you would get more and more adventure. You would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now. You would dream the dream of living the life that you are actually living today. That's the nature of life. So in this idea then, everybody is fundamentally the ultimate reality.